A very good afternoon to everyone. This is Shubhashankar Sharma and I am from collegedunia.com. And today we have with us Dr. Pooja Srivastava, Head of Department of English, Srinath University. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am, on our interview series named Thoughts on Education, where we interview various dignitaries such as owners, chancellors, registrars, HODs, and so on. So, ma'am, we will be starting this interview with a very small introduction of yours. So, please go ahead, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I am Dr. Pooja Srivastava, HOD Department of English, Srinath University. I have a vast experience of approx 10 years in different school and college and universities also. And as a HOD over here, I have to basically look after the discipline and the management of the department as a whole, and also the whole curriculum and syllabus that we, since it is an interdisciplinary subject, so our faculties are focused and towards different departments also. So we have to look after the enhancement of teaching and learning in every department. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, why should any student go for English or literature, and how come these all things add values in their life?
Okay, as we know that English is a global language, so as a subject, it opens up a world of inspiration and creativity, which also develops skills that are essential for today's global environment. It creates an insight in us to be analytical and logical in this vast arena. So basically, we can say that English is not just a subject, it is the requirement of today's life. Okay, it teaches us how to live a life, how to lead our life in a more happier and prosperous manner.
Okay, ma'am, understood. So, ma'am, how English as a subject is different from like other universities or your competitors in Jamshedpur? Like, what are the different unique approaches you guys are taking because of which this course is becoming more interesting and more, you can say, it is expanding the horizons of students?
Okay, basically in Srinath University, we focus on practical learning and uses of education in our daily life rather than just going with the rote learning method that was the previous way of, it is still followed in various universities. And of course, syllabus is taken into consideration over here, but we take care of regular assessment of children. Okay, and we work on overall development of a child. We try to give them opportunities so that they become an extrovert. Many children have come to our university, and when we talk to them and we say that why don't you come up with your views and thoughts, then they say that ma'am, I'm quite introvert type of nature I have. So we try to work on individual student and to bring out the hidden skills that they have, and that can be in form of being an orator, being a public speaker, a good public speaker. They can be good writer, okay, and there are many other things. They can be good dancer, singer. So they are not just study, as we know in today's time, that there are other skills also which needs to be explored out. So in our department, we try to touch every aspect of a child.
Okay, ma'am, understood, ma'am. So, ma'am, I would love to know like what's the method of teaching or pedagogy which is taken by Srinath University.
So basically in our department, if I talk about, and of course it is in the university itself, we focus on practical learning as I said, and in our present time, we all need to be all-rounder as we know. So we try to upgrade it with the basic knowledge that should be with every child. Okay, like when they come here after doing here their intermediate or after doing their graduation, there are many children who don't know how to work on the basics of computer also. So we try to inculcate those knowledge also by giving them projects that they have to work on Word file, and also we ask them to give presentations on different topics, and those topics are basically based on the curriculum or the syllabus that they have been taught on. Okay. So these things again, this not only enhances their skill, it also gives them an opportunity to work on the depth of their syllabus, and also it also helps to develop their personality over here. So these are few things that we try to work on, and we also try to make them participant in different activities, that is inter university or inter college debates, dramas, or various other discussions, or where they go and enhance their skills. So these are few ways where we try, how we try to enhance them.
Ma'am, as you said, like you made students participate in debates and dramas and all. So, what are the other things in which they also participate and bring quality in their life?
Like they also go for different disciplines. Like recently it was tech root that had happened in our university.
Okay.
So they had participated in those reel making, and then this treasure hunt. Okay, and then even they have performed different dance and other programs, the competitions that happens. We have good dancers and singers also in our department, so they do participate and they have won. So these basically enhances their analytical and logical thinking, so which we try to improve also.
Ma'am, since language is also a part of English, so how come you all work on that?
Okay, yeah, we cannot. We have this language teaching is also a major part of our subject. So we work on it as I said that we have a language lab over here, where we do not only teach writing skill but also we enhance on listening and reading skills of children. Okay, and it is important to excel in fast pacing world right now. And as I say that it is interdepartment subject, so in every department our faculty go over there and they focus on each aspect of every child. We, the point is that we try to cater each and individual child to a maximum level. So that is what we are trying to improve, so that they can actually stand in the society with heads up.
Okay, ma'am, understood. Ma'am, what are the different career options which can be explored by the students of English or literature, which could like bring things in their life basically when it comes to career perspective?
So as we know in English, other than being teacher and professor, there are also many career aspects. Like they can be competent writers in web content, blog writers, creative writers. They can be creative developers, legal drafters, editors, corporate trainers, educational consultant, public relation officers, translators, newspaper and magazines journalists, public representatives, and there are so many courses after which after doing English as a subject.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what are the different courses which is offered in Srinath University when it comes to English?
So means you want to ask that in where English is taken up as a subject over here.
That as well as like the major thing like bachelor's, masters,
Okay.
PhD,
Yeah, it is bachelor's in English, master's in English, as well as PhD in English is taught over here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, understood. Ma'am, as you have already explained the different career prospects for English, so if you could like deep dive and explain them in a more detailed manner, so it will be very beneficial for the students who are planning to go for bachelor's in English or masters in English, ma'am.
Okay, so as we know that after doing bachelor's in English or master's in English, we can go for the job of teacher and professor, which itself is a very renowned job. And if anyone is not interested in being a teacher, then it's not that they don't have any other opportunities. Over here, in fact, what I feel is that English is a subject which opens the door for every other jobs. Okay, like when we talk about legal drafter, okay, that's a government job where you can be a reputed drafter over in for the legal documents. That is going to give you good pay as well as a honored job it is. Then if I talk about corporate trainer, again it is a respectable job, and you are going to be a part of different big companies, which is a dream for many students. And over there, that also you will be given a renowned post and salary. So and you have to train those people over there who themselves are in a reputed places. So Other than that, being a translator, or as I said that being a journalist, so we all know about a job of journalism or a job of editor in newspaper and magazines. So those are the things that itself adds lots of reputation and boosts your life and career as well. So these are the certain professions where you can go after doing your bachelor's and master's. And of course, other than this, even if someone wants to go for MBA or UPSC, like government jobs and all, they can always go for these sectors also. So it has opens the vast arena of all of the society.
Okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am. So, ma'am, before we wrap up this interview, what message you would love to give to the youth who are planning to go for English as their bachelor's or master's, and also the ones who are planning to take admissions at Srinath University?
So those students who are planning to join this course, I would like to say them that please come out of those old traditional thought that basic courses do not give much opportunity to you in your life. Rather, in present scenario, if we look around, then these courses also have vast arena of career, and they have prosperous future with you. So please come out of those thought and do join Srinath University for various courses, not only English or, itself, but you can come with for various courses, because here, as I said, that we focus on overall development of every student. So we are not just focusing on the rote learning. As I said, we focus on the practical learning and enhancement of the inner skills of every child, whoever is a part of our university. So please do come and join our university and boost and give your life a more prosperous turns. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. And every student will be watching this interview will be definitely benefiting from it, just because the insights which you have given is like something which they wanted from a very earlier part before taking admission, ma'am. So
you
thank
so
you so much for your time, ma'am.
Thank you so much.